Hey guys, welcome back for 11.2. Today's notes are calculating a payment for your mortgage, so your house payment each month, and then figuring out the total amount of interest that you're paying. Because again, if you're borrowing money, you're paying more than the principal. The bank is going to charge you for that loan, and that's your interest payment. So we're only going to do like the first two parts of these notes, so we'll finish them on another day. But we're only going to use these two definitions today. So a mortgage, a loan used for buying a house. I think we all know that. And then this word amortizing just means that you're paying back that loan over time. Usually it's every month, or pretty much every time it's going to be every month. Okay, so if you want to pause and get those written down, go for it. Okay, the first part that we're doing, we're going to use a table. So what you're going to want to do is find the interest rate on the left side here, right? And then you're going to look for the length of your loan across the top, and then you find the intersection. It's going to give you one of these dollar amounts. Okay, so the monthly payment is going to be your table value, so that's one of these dollar amounts in here, times the amount that you're borrowing, and then we divide that by 1,000. So if we look at example one, Kim is borrowing $66,500 to buy a house. Her interest rate is 10.5%, and she has a 30-year mortgage. How much will her monthly payments be? Okay, so we can do this. Her monthly payment in dollars is going to be her table value. Okay, so I need to use this information to find the table value. 10.5% is right here. 30-year loan is right here. So I want to find the intersection of those two, and I see that it's $9.14. So I do 9.14, that's my table value, times the amount that Kim is borrowing, which is 66,500, and then I want to divide by 1,000. So we can do that all in one step. So 9.14 times 66,500 divided by 1,000. Our monthly payment is going to be $607.81. And if you guys want to pause and try number two, then you can hit play and check it. And we get 1,421. All right, so the next section that we're going to do is finding the total interest that we pay. So if you want to pause and get these formulas down, go for it. And one thing we want to understand is that your payments that you make are every month. Okay, so number of payments, that's equal to the same as the number of months. So there's usually going to be one more calculation that we need to do here. So for example 3, I have a 30-year loan. I'm paying it back over 30 years. Well, I want to know how many months that is. So every year has 12 months. So I do 30 times 12. You can check it, but that'll give you 360 months, which means 360 payments. Okay, so I'll do months slash payments because we pay every month. So step 1, I do total amount paid is going to equal 360 times my monthly payment amount. Well, my monthly payment is $607.81. And we get 218,811.60. And then my interest that I pay can equal the total amount paid. Well, that's what I just calculated. So I take that number and I subtract the amount of money that I borrowed. Okay, well, we borrowed 66,500. So I subtract 66,500 and we get 152. 311.60. It's a lot of money. You pay a lot of interest over 30 years. So if you want to try number 4, you can pause and then come back and check your answer. Okay, so for example 4, I find that the interest I'm paying is $198,755. All right, guys, that's going to conclude the notes for today. Thank you, and make sure you check out your homework assignment posted on Classroom. Thanks, guys. Oh, we'll be in office hours if you need us, okay? Check that schedule too.